The network effect is a phenomenon in which the value of a product or service rises as more people utilize it. As the user base expands, so do the chances for engagement, which may result in more advantages and good results for each user. Several technologies and platforms, including social media, messaging applications, and marketplaces, benefit from the network effect as a major driver of growth and adoption. Today we will be explaining the network effect on cryptocurrencies, and how it impacts the adoption of NFTs, Web3 and DeFi. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, Forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. The network effect and cryptocurrencies. The network effect is also a key concept in the crypto industry. In general, it means that the value of a cryptocurrency grows as more people use it. This is due to the fact that a bigger user base leads to more liquidity and trade volume, which promotes acceptability and use. For example, the Bitcoin network's massive and growing user base generates a tremendous network effect that has enhanced its market acceptance, liquidity, and value. When more individuals use Bitcoin, a self-reinforcing loop occurs because it becomes more value to each individual user as more people use it. The network effect is mainly responsible for cryptocurrency's success, which is one of the reasons why early adoption may be so critical for long-term investment returns. Nevertheless, it is important to realize that the network effect is not a guarantee of success and that other variables, such as technological improvements, competition, news, and market mood, can impact the value and acceptance of a cryptocurrency. How the network effect impacts the adoption of NFTs. The network effect has a substantial impact on the value of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. When more people accept and use NFTs, they become more advantageous to each individual. With a greater user base comes increased liquidity, demand, and opportunities to purchase and repurchase NFTs. As more individuals utilize NFTs, it becomes simpler for musicians, artists, and producers to generate money from selling them. However, it is important to remember that the network effect is not the sole factor influencing NFT adoption. Additional variables influencing NFT acceptance include simplicity of usage, security, and the quality of the underlying digital asset. Nonetheless, the network effect is a fundamental driver of NFT growth and acceptance, and it will continue to play an essential role. The network effect in DeFi and Web3. When users and activity on decentralized finance, DeFi, or Web3 apps and networks expand, the network effect produces a cycle of growth and acceptance, ultimately increasing the value and usefulness for all players. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, for example, gain value when more users and liquidity providers join, resulting in narrower spreads, larger order books, and better pricing for traders. Similarly, network effects help NFT markets like OpenSea and Rarible as more makers and collectors join, resulting in a broader range of unique and valuable goods, better trade volumes, and more awareness for the platform. What is your opinion on network effect? Does it really impact the cryptocurrencies? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.